Rural Sound Effects by Digifx Series C gives you a taste of country living with both civilized farm life and life in the wild. This collection focuses on the sounds you find outside the concrete jungle, with domesticated farm animals like cows, sheep, goats, and horses, and rural wildlife including lions, tigers, and bears, as well as a great selection of wild birds. The sound effects in this series include oceans, streams, forests, and waterfalls. The 1,157 stereo sound effects are available on 18 CDs, which can be purchased as a complete set or as individual CDs. The complete collection can also be downloaded as 1644.1, 1648, or 2448 broadcast wave files. Rural Sound Effects by Digifx Series C, only from Sound Ideas.